Hey, what's going on? It's Sam Jacob. So real quick, I want to make this video for you and kind of explain how dropshipping works and kind of my story, because I think it's something that people always enjoy to hear. Like, how did I get started? And there's no difference between me and you. I can promise you that. I didn't have a lot of money when I started, a few $1,000s saved up, invested in my first mentor, which was a huge step for me, a huge jump in the right direction. Just had a laptop. I was a teenager kid, and if I can do it, then you can do it too. And that's the real straight up answer to why most people aren't successful, because they think that like you have to be special in order to succeed in the e-commerce world or in any business, but you don't. You just gotta put in the work and learn from the right people. So let me kind of go through how it all works and my story. I started it all February 2017. That's when my journey began, and my inspiration was that I hated the education system. I hated it. Like, I used to go to school and I was like, I just fell asleep in class and I just didn't like it, right? I was like an average student, like a B student, but I saw like people around me. I saw my family members. I saw people in the community like struggling. We're just being regular people, and I knew I wanted to be better. I wanted to live a life of freedom. And I knew that going through the education system probably wouldn't get me there. Okay. So in February 2018, that's when I first came across dropshipping, and I was like, whoa, this is insane. I can build an online business from my laptop and I never have to touch a product at all. That was mind blowing to me. So instantly started to get to work. I started to build my own website, and I finally got my first sale. I always come back to that memory, and it's so crazy how like in one day I just boom, I got that notification. You sold something online. Like, oh my gosh, this is crazy. And the coolest part about dropshipping is that you never touch the product at all. So I set up a website just like something like this, which doesn't take too much time. You don't need to go to college to be a developer or anything like that. This website is super clean. We sell this product, and this company that we built sold almost $1 million worth of this product right over here. We made my partner and I started this company. I came in as a partner and really helped him scale. So this is something that is super exciting. This is one of our stores, and we're selling this product for $29.99. The cool part is that we go on a website like AliExpress, and we can get this product for $11. So what we do is, once we get an order, we send the product from AliExpress or from our private suppliers to the customer. Like, we just put their information in and go straight to the customer. We never touch the product at all, which is so cool. This is our TikTok page. Where is it? Boom, we just put this in, and next, confirm. Okay, so this is our TikTok page when it decides to load. Let's see. There we go. If you look on TikTok, you go to Cloudy Sharks, okay? And our account is right over here. We literally took a TikTok account from 0 to over 107,000 followers. Just blew up the page and absolutely went crazy. Some of our videos get hundreds of thousands of views, and it literally brings us free sales. So this is currently a method that we're using that is crushing it for myself, my stores, and for my students. So pretty awesome. So the dropshipping model is amazing. You could do it from anywhere in the world. It has allowed me to travel. It has allowed me to just work on my own hours. I don't put a lot of time into dropshipping. A lot of people think I work on it 24/7. I don't. I have a lot of different businesses, but if you have an hour a day on the side, you can definitely do dropshipping. For those 8 months from February 2018, when I got my first set of sales, I was like, whoa, this actually could work, right? And I just went straight into complete silence. And those 8 months were super tough because I had to figure out everything. I tried to figure it out on my own, and that didn't really work out. So I invested in my first mentor and programs to learn, to educate myself on the right strategies to be successful. Because if you want to be successful in the business world or in any industry, you got to learn from someone that has results that you want. Okay, so if you want to be jacked, you got to learn from someone that's jacked. If you want to learn how to make money online, you got to learn from someone who has the results you want. And thankfully, I've been able to generate millions of dollars online and now help hundreds of people do the same thing that you want to do, which is making money online and be able to have that freedom. Then in October 2018, that's when it really took off. That's when it just started to explode. I made $7,000 in a single day from my online store as an 18-year-old, which is absolutely crazy. Then I upgraded my office finally, and then people started asking me, hey Sam, like, how do you do this? How can I get involved? So I flew down to Toronto, and these people all here, right? These 5 individuals paid a few $1,000s each to learn from me for a day. Okay, happens to be one of these members right here. His name is Joey. You probably know him or gonna know him in the future because he's one of my students, and he, in the matter of 1 year, went from working at Wendy's minimum wage to making over $1 million in sales in his first year of e-commerce. So he exploded because he learned from the right person and he put in the work. Okay. Then from there, just took off, right? $35,000 in a single day for one of my stores. I think Black Friday, we did like $45,000 in a single day. It was wild. Okay. The only reason why we have packages here is because during the holiday season, we wanted really, really fast shipping. So we ordered a lot from China and we started shipping it from like one of my friend's basements. But like you don't usually ever touch the product at all. Okay. Then I started getting featured on all these different press. I even went on TV, which was insane. Okay. I talked about my story. And then Ty Lopez reached out to me and he offered me to be his top e-commerce coach in his programs. And I've been able to help thousands of people in that program, which is super, super awesome. He invited me out to his house. He showed me his Lamborghinis, Ferraris, super cool. And then I just started to speak all over America. Like I sold out an event in LA. Hundreds of people came to see me speak and learn from me. You see all these people learning from someone that has results. In New York, same thing. We just blew out, sold it out. People are just learning from me, implementing our strategies, and I've been able to change a lot of lives because of my strategies. They work so well. During those 8 months, I kind of cracked the code and I figured out what really works with dropshipping. There's so many YouTubers out there, so much courses, right? But what I created is programs that condense it all and show you strategies that actually work that you can copy and paste to get results for yourself, okay? Obviously, my Instagram is, popping off these days, and a lot of people want to learn from me. So it's important that I go ahead and bring in the right people because so many people want to get in my program. So many people want my help, but I can only bring on a handful amount of people that actually have what it takes to succeed in the dropshipping world. Okay. In the matter of 1 year, my life drastically changed from struggling to going to travel the world and to speak on stages. And if I can do it, then you can do it too, really. Since then, I've been able to create a program called eCom Uprise University. It's my step-by-step program with dozens and dozens of step-by-step videos that teach you how to start your own e-commerce business. Like in these videos online, you can log in and just watch and implement what I teach, which is super, super awesome and super easy to follow. And I love it because people are getting some serious results from it. Here's our group chat. So if you get in the program, then you get access to their group chat, and there's so many different categories that you can learn from, and you can ask questions and get the support you need. You know, no one's doing this. No one really has the support and the family life orient and energy like we do at eCom Uprise. Okay, let's go over a few questions before we finish off this video. Number one, okay, how much money do you need to start drop shipping? Let me zoom this up for you so you can see it. Okay. How much money do you need to start dropshipping? Dropshipping is a low-risk business model that does not require a lot of capital, okay? I started with a few $1,000s, which I put into my first mentor, and a few $100s I set aside for advertising. Now, with my new methods, whether you have $1,000 or you have $10,000 plus to get started with dropshipping, I'll figure something out with you, okay? We have tons of different methods. Some of our methods do not require a single dollar for you to put into advertising. The most important part is that you learn from someone that has the results you want. You want to learn from the right person. Otherwise, you're going to waste precious time and money trying to scavenge around for the best strategies that don't usually work. Okay. Number two, do I need to order in bulk in order to start dropshipping? No, absolutely not. We do not touch our products when we do dropshipping or e-commerce in general. We don't touch our products. We just have our private agent, or I'll get into that in a second, okay? We have people in China who ship the product straight to the customer so you don't have to deal with anything. This is why the dropshipping model is so strong and is the best business to start currently. Number three, how do you deal with long shipping times from China, right? Usually people ship with AliExpress and it usually takes 3 to 4 weeks and customers get upset. How do we deal with that? Okay, that's a great question. So we have a private agent for our stores who sends the products from China to our customers within 7 to 12 days. This is the fastest shipping time from China. So this allows us, these private agents are in charge of sending the product from China to the customer. We don't have to order in bulk. Every time we get an order, they get a notification and they literally just send it to the customer, and then they send us our bill. So for example, if let's say these shark slides, we can get them for let's say $10 or $12, and then we sell them for $30. We pay them the $12. We keep the the 18, and then they ship it to the customer, and then we're hands off. It's pretty awesome. Okay. Now, how do you get access to this private agent? All my students get access to this private agent, so you can use them for your own stores. To apply for my e-commerce program, I don't accept everyone. A lot of people try to get into my program, especially my coaching program, where I kind of hold people step by step and are there for any questions they have. A lot of people want to get into it, but I only have a certain amount of time in the day, and I don't want to bring on everyone. So if you do want to apply for it, then best bet is just message me on Instagram. You probably already did if you're watching this video, but just continue on with the application process. A few questions I got to ask you before I show you any options. Number 5, where do you see dropshipping going? Dropshipping and e-commerce is growing faster than ever, and it's getting stronger and stronger every single year. Okay, every year it's getting bigger and bigger. We've never seen an opportunity like this before, and it's coolest thing ever. Like 18-year-old kids making more than doctors. Like, you got to jump on this opportunity right now, otherwise you're gonna get left behind. Okay, you may have bought something from my e-commerce businesses. I launched a bunch of e-commerce businesses. You don't have to start with one website. You can have 2 websites, 5 websites, 10 websites, right? It doesn't really matter because you don't have to buy anything in bulk. So there's not much risk, which is awesome. But dropshipping really, really changed my life. And the way that we're doing dropshipping right now is called branded dropshipping. It's a little different, but it's the best way to go about it. And if you want to learn our methods, then we have programs that are available. We'll talk on Instagram, and hope this video helped and cleared things up. All right, peace.